Hi guys, now let me show you how you can use EThOS in order to get full tech thesis online from UK institution. So first of all, please go to this website ethos.bl.uk, then simply key in your keyword here, then click search. For your information, some of the thesis here will be provided in the form of open access, so meaning that you can get the full tech thesis from here, as well as some other thesis will not provide you with full text, but you can choose an option to purchase them. So once you go into the result, so this is the number of result. They're going to arrange by default according to relevancy. You can change them into other option here. So let me give a try with this one. I want to see the newest thesis available. Then once you go into this result, as long as you can see open access icon with the green icon here, so meaning that you can get the full text from here. So let me give a try to get one. For example, I need this one because the title is relevant to my topic. This is the author name. The awarding body is University of Cambridge and awarded on 2019. So I just click on the title. Then this is full information about the thesis, so you can read by your own, including the abstract. And if you find out that this is the right thesis that I want to read further, you can simply click this button, access from institution. So they will bring you to the publisher's or institution's website. Then you just need to find out any PDF icon for downloading. So this is the icon, so you just click on it. So you just need to wait for a while until they download for you the full thesis. Okay, so this is the full thesis that I managed to get from EThOS. So this is how you can use EThOS in order to get a full text thesis online. Thank you.